Academic Edition, How to Use AI for Tenure and Promotion Dossier Preparation. This is if you want to use AI as a research assistant, and here's the strategy. Your tenure and promotion dossier deadline is approaching and you don't know where to start, you're overwhelmed. Here's exactly how to use AI to prepare strategically if I was using AI right now. If you're seeing me for the first time, hello, hi. I'm sharing how I use AI as an educator, researcher, professor, storyteller, small business owner, and a human in my personal and professional life. I'm not saying you have to use AI to put this together. You don't. But if you want to, here's some strategies to think with. Now, let's get into how to use AI to prepare your tenure and promotion documents. First, before you even use AI, create 3 folders on your desktop: research, teaching, service. Now, when you have emails and things come your way, populate these with documents, emails, and evidence in real time as they come in. Do not wait till the last minute because it'll be overwhelming. Keep this practice up. Then keep sample dossiers and faculty handbook with tenure guidelines handy and keep updating your CV regularly. Now find the through lines in your work yourself, how each part informs the other, how your research connects to teaching and service and vice versa. For each narrative area, research, teaching, and service, write your strongest points and maybe how you have exceeded expectations based on your faculty handbook requirements. Remember, I told you keep it handy. Then feed everything to ChatGPT or Claude or any other AI and ask them to find your through lines and strongest points in each area. Sometimes they'll catch things you missed. See if it matches with how you have identified your key areas of contribution based on research interest, teaching, and service. Now, this will help with organization, and more importantly, you have a thought partner to boost your narrative with your strengths, because we all know it's super hard for us to talk about ourselves as the next best thing. So having somebody else see something you're not seeing could be very helpful. So why not have a sycophantic AI be your hype bot when that is what is needed for tenure and promotion? Next step, write your own narrative draft first, using both your points and what AI identified. Then give your draft to AI to check against all the handbook requirements. Let AI suggest areas to strengthen, but then use your discernment and judgment on what to accept or reject. This process ensures that you do the critical thinking first, then use AI to enhance and verify your work, your accomplishment, your analysis, your voice, but AI helps you see it and organize it better. So if you want more academic AI strategies, sign up for my emails. There's a link in my bio here on TikTok and every other pages. I'll put a link in the first comment. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate you.